tech.
Yo, welcome
Book
back
now
to
and get in the game.
Today, we'll be reacting to a new song by Steak and CG5. I'm not an egg. Let's do it, shall we? We never hit the right one. Describe on notifications and we get into it. Before I listen to this a couple times.
I am not the CEO of obesity. My tummy messing with your radio frequency. My rectum ain't a victim of toxicity. The quantities I consume unspeakably huge. Not soft boiled, I don't get spoiled. Don't put me in a pan with extra virgin oil. Foil me, I'll scramble your leg. Cooking on this beat that I make. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited gyms and rolls like the Michelin Man. Can't escape my shadow, it's 40 pounds. Special pose or cake, it's a battleground. Throwing through in my mouth, it's a touchdown. Naming off my chins like some proper nouns. Family, sick of me, low-key. Gotta be, gotta boo, maybe hits a drive-through. McDonald's, Ronald on speed dial. But the ice cream machine's been down for a while. So am I, wait what? So am I, wait what? I can't take it anymore, I can't lie. Wait what? It's existential, feeling like the fall guy. Wait what? At this point, I'll pick all your fat guys.
Sir, this is a drive-through. You're holding up the line. Oh, sorry.
I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Entertaining children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited gyms and rolls like the Michelin Man. I'm not an egg. I'm not an
I'm tired. That's a 10 out of 10 song. Should we do it one more time, shall we? This date, this is I want to talk about this.
I am not the CEO of obesity. My tummy messing with your radio frequency. My rectum ain't a victim of toxicity. The quantities I consume unspeakably huge. Not soft boiled, I don't get spoiled. Put me in a pan with extra virgin oil. Foil me, I'll scramble your leg. Cooking on this beat that I make. I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Entertaining children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited gyms and rolls like the Michelin Man. Can't escape my shadow, it's 40 pounds. Special pose or cake, it's a battleground. Throwing through in my mouth, it's a touchdown. Naming off my chins like some proper nouns. Family, sick of me, low-key. Gotta be, gotta boo, maybe hits a drive-through. McDonald's, Ronald on speed dial. But the ice cream machine's been down for a while. So am I, wait what? So am I, wait what? I can't take it anymore, I can't lie. Wait what? It's existential, feeling like the fall guy. Wait what? At this point, I'll pick all your fat fries.
Sir, this is a drive-through. You're holding up the line. Oh, sorry.
I'm not an egg. You ain't got no speed or strength, you're just a gamer. I'm not an egg. Get away from me, your face needs a disclaimer. I'm not an egg. Entertaining children with no attention span. I'm not an egg. Limited gyms and rolls like the Michelin Man. I'm not an egg. I'm not an
CG5 and yep, the good job. You'll find my comment in here somewhere. out in one of my favourite songs. I recommended this song. I am not an A to all of you. Subscribe to Steak. Banner song Steak. Yeah, I think this will show up. So you'll find my comment down there somewhere. You click on the list. But if I want me there, so you just have to scroll down. Well, no, hit that like button, subscribe with notification, and subscribe to and like his I'm not A, and subscribe to Kye7x and subscribe to me, please and thanks. Hit the like button, subscribe with notification. Will help Steak to get 5 million, or even 10 million. Hey, talk to you goodbye for now. See ya.